Hi guys, I'm back again today with another reaction video, and today we're reacting to John Saga. I think, is he the one who's singing? I'm not so sure, but this is a Filipino singer. Sounds like Sam Smith, and he's singing Too Good at Goodbye. So I'm really excited because a lot of you have requested this and you were like, check this out, and I'm like, okay, so here we go, let's check this out. Showbiz. I don't know how to dance, so, but I like to dance. Okay.
You must think that I'm new to this. Well, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you. In case you go and leave me in the dirt. 'Cause every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. Yeah, but it's true, I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good.
I'm sorry, I have to pause. Yeah, he does sound like Sam Smith, like the deeper tone, and I don't know why he cut it like that, but I wish it was like the full song. But let's continue.
I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me when I need the most to you. In case you go and leave me in the dirt. 'Cause every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. We don't stand a chance. Sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good.
I don't like the cutting part, but it's the original of this, cause yeah, I couldn't find the original performance, so this one is the cut version, but he did upload an acoustic one which we're gonna react to in the near future. But let's continue this. Let's check it out. 144. Okay, yeah, he really does sound like Sam Smith at some parts, especially when he goes high and in the deep. He really does sound like him, and I enjoy his voice. I really do want to react to the acoustic version, so if you guys enjoy this reaction, let me know so I can check out the acoustic version. If you like, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave in the comment section down below what other videos like to react to. The original link of this video will be in the description box down below, so that's my social media link. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.